What is he doing? He is walking. He is walking. What is she doing? She is running. She is running. What is he doing? He is jumping. He is jumping. What is she doing? She is dancing. She is dancing. What is he doing? He is eating. He is eating. What is she doing? She is drinking. She is drinking. What is he doing? He is sleeping. He is sleeping. What is she doing? She is reading. She is reading. What is he doing? He is writing. He is writing. What is she doing? She is drawing. She is drawing. What is he doing? He is playing. He is playing. What is she doing? She is singing. She is singing. What is he doing? He is laughing. He is laughing. What is she doing? She is crying. She is crying. What is he doing? He is clapping. He is clapping. What is she doing? She is cooking. She is cooking. What is he doing? He is cleaning. He is cleaning. What is she doing? She is washing. She is washing. What is he doing? He is brushing. He is brushing. What is she doing? She is opening the door. She is opening the door. What is he doing? He is closing the door. He is closing the door. What is she doing? She is watching TV. She is watching TV. What is he doing? He is listening to music. He is listening to music. What is she doing? She is talking. She is talking. What is he doing? He is sitting. He is sitting. What is she doing? She is standing. She is standing. What is he doing? He is throwing the ball. He is throwing the ball. What is she doing? She is catching the ball. She is catching the ball. What is he doing? He is kicking the ball. He is kicking the ball. What is she doing? She is swimming. She is swimming. What is he doing? He is cycling. He is cycling. What is she doing? She is driving. She is driving. What is he doing? He is pushing. He is pushing. What is she doing? She is pulling. She is pulling. What is he doing? He is cutting paper. He is cutting paper. What is she doing? She is folding clothes. She is folding clothes. What is he doing? He is painting. He is painting. What is she doing? She is hugging. She is hugging. What is he doing? He is climbing. He is climbing. What is she doing? She is skipping. She is skipping. What is he doing? He is smiling. He is smiling. What is she doing? She is helping. She is helping. What is he doing? He is shopping. He is shopping. What is she doing? She is waiting. She is waiting. What is he doing? He is thinking. He is thinking. What is she doing? She is teaching. She is teaching. What is he doing? He is learning. He is learning. What is she doing? She is working. She is working. What is he doing? He is running fast. He is running fast. What is she doing? She is jumping high. She is jumping high.
Thank you for watching. If you like this video then like, subscribe and share.